Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic that we all care about, how to stay clean and fresh all day long. In this video, we will cover body hair makeup outfit. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the morning routine. Your day starts here, so let's make it count. Tip number 1, start with a refreshing shower. Use a body wash or soap with a scent you love. Not only will it wake you up, but it'll also set a fresh foundation for the day. And don't forget to scrub all the important spots, behind the ears, neck, and yes, even between the toes. Tip number 2, exfoliate. Use a gentle scrub a few times a week to remove dead skin cells. This keeps your skin smooth and helps your body wash work better. After your shower, make sure you dry off completely. Damp skin can lead to bacteria growth, which is definitely not what we want. Tip number 3, choose a good deodorant or antiperspirant. Find one that works for you and apply it to clean, dry skin. This will help keep you smelling fresh and prevent sweat throughout the day. Tip number 4, wear clean clothes every day. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. Clean clothes help you feel fresh and confident. Tip number 5, pack a freshness kit. Keep a small bag with essentials like wet wipes, a mini deodorant, mouthwash, and a travel-sized perfume or cologne. This way, you can freshen up no matter where you are. Tip number 6, after working out, clean up immediately. If you can't shower right away, use wet wipes to clean sweat-prone areas. Change into fresh clothes as soon as possible. Tip number 7, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body regulate temperature and can even improve your skin's appearance. Plus, it helps flush out toxins. Tip number 8, eat clean. A balanced diet with plenty of fruits and veggies can improve your body's natural scent and keep your skin looking great. Tip number 9, don't forget oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, floss, and use mouthwash. Fresh breath is a huge part of feeling fresh overall. And finally, tip number 10, maintain a clean environment. Your surroundings impact how fresh you feel. Keep your living space tidy and well ventilated. So there you have it, my top tips for staying clean and fresh all day long. Remember, it's all about maintaining good habits and being prepared. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fresh, everyone.